Hi, my name is Ben Callen with Motion Index Drives, and today I want to show you this inline transfer system that we've designed, built, and engineered for our customer. This particular system is used in an automotive environment. It's a 2-serving-3 linear transfer system. The customer will have 2 fixtures put on this transfer system, and the end customer will be able to choose between 2 different fixtures during the automation process. Some of the features I'm going to go over today, I would like to start out with the cable management system. Here we use an Aegis brand cable management system, and this is for customers' utilities to be run through here. It could be air, communication, electric. The structural steel carriage that we provide to the customer already has mounting pads and tap holes and dowels for the customer to place their tooling on as soon as they receive our unit. So they don't have to do any additional drilling or tapping onto the machine once they receive it. We use NSK style bearings, and these are typically oversized for the application just to give a nice longevity to the system itself. The bearing trucks have scrapers on them to clean the linear bearings as it's being transferred back and forth, and also has self-lubricating cartridges inside the trucks as well. On most of our transfer systems, we use a helical bevel rack and pinion system. This particular brand is Atlanta. It's a very high precision, very low backlash rack and pinion system that gives very high accuracy and repeatability. And this oversized pinion here. Usually with this rack and pinion system, we're probably at least 4 to 5 to 1 safety factor for moving the weight that the customer wants to move and the speed that they want to move it at. This particular customer wanted to drive the transfer system with an Allen Bradley servo motor. In this case, we provide the motor, the power and feedback cable, as well as the control panel. So this really is a full package. We can provide a full package to you or any customer if they choose to have a turnkey system. We also can provide this with an AC motor with absolute encoder for positioning, or some customers do aux access to the robot. So we provide any type of brand of robot motor to the system. We can size it up and you can be ready to mount yourself. This is another feature the customer wanted. Most customers do want this. This is a safety maintenance pin. This connected to their panel to indicate that this has been removed and there's maintenance being done on the system. This then engages into the transfer carriage itself, and also on the end here to engage it, know that it's in a maintenance position. Design and provide our customers with these over travel switches. In this case, we're using an Allen Bradley mechanical switch for detecting any over travel. We also equip all these units with stoppers just in case the mechanical switch were to fail. We have stop blocks at the end of each transfer on both ends. All our systems are designed, engineered, and fabricated and machined here in Michigan. And if you have an application where you can use a linear transfer system, please call Motion Index Drives. You can speak to me, you can speak to one of our engineers. So you start the process and get you a quote, and hopefully work with you guys on your next linear transfer project.